Okay, so for this video I'm going to do an unboxing. This just arrived today. It's a Makisub, I don't know. I'm going to have a couple of scotches before I try that again. But you pronounce it whichever way you want to. It's an 8-in-1. You get the heat press on there. You get a cup doohickey. That also comes with a couple of other types of doohickeys for doing cups. It's got a cap thingy doer. It's got a couple of platens for doing plates and that sort of thing. Pardon me. I'm probably going to be doing a lot more crafty sorts of things, like making hot press foil certificates and wooden signs and things like that. I can't see it being used for t-shirts. It doesn't really float my boat a great deal. Could probably do some cups and mugs and some hats. But we'll wait and see where it goes. It's not where I got it. Got a couple of plans for it. I bought it off eBay for, they were advertised for $310. I'll put the picture up here somewhere in here. And they had a voucher, so I used that and I got it for about $273, $275, something like that, and that was delivered. It's made in beautiful downtown China, as is just about everything these days. I thought I'd have a play with this one, an El Cheapo, and if I like it, I will invest in a more appropriate or more heavy duty jobby. But this one I'll do for an experiment for now. That's all the specifications. Blah blah blah. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it apart. These things, a couple of the things I've read on the internet about them, they have, as per normal with anything out of China, got really dodgy wiring on them. So the first thing I'm going to do once I've unboxed it is go right through it and check all the terminals, all the connections, if necessary replace any wiring that looks a little bit iffy. Again, you know, anything out of China you can expect it to be crap, so I'll decrapify it and make it into something hopefully that I can use. So I'll get this set up on the tripod and we'll take it from there. The other thing, the next video I'm going to do is my little laser. It's only a little jobby, as you can see. It's only, I think it's about 150 by about 200, which really is just a wee bit too small. It's a 2 watt laser. I've got to tidy up some of the wiring because I've had to change the board, and the power leads on the old board are different to the ones on the new Alex Maker Nano, whatever it is. So I've got my tubing, my 20 by 40, and I've got to tap some threads into that, and then we will make it wider that way, 500 that way, 500 that way, and 500 across the top. But that's another one for later. I'm just waiting on new belts coming from the USA, unless Australia Post, in their infinite wisdom, have managed to lose it. Like Australia Post would lose anything. Alright, I'll go and get this set up onto the tripod and we'll get into it, eh? Actually, no, I won't set it up on a tripod just yet because the tripod won't go this high and it's, yeah, hard to see what's going on really. So we'll give this a go one-handed and try and see what I'm doing here and watch the screen as well. Cut that one. Cut that one. Using my trusty little crafty knife. God, this is hard trying to do this and watch it on the screen at the same time. Here we go. So, what goodies have we got in here? Hey, what goodies? Oh, it's well packed. Wasn't expecting that. Normally stuff from China comes all shitty. So, I've got a book of instructions, and it's all in English. What's going on? Someone been talking to the Chinese, have they, and saying, "Hi, you'll make it for Australia. You'll make it in English." Yes, it's even in English. I'll have to have a look at that. See if it's in English or in Chinglish, and it's understandable. Right, so first up, where will we go? We'll go over here. No, we'll go here. That is your base for doing caps. Put that over. We've got here, we've got the heated element for the, oh, it even comes with a Teflon on it. I like that idea. That's for doing caps. Again, we'll see how that one goes. These will be your platens for doing plates. Two minds about plates. Not too sure how food safe the dye sublimation would be on a plate. Oh shit, that's got a bit of weight in it, that one. Again, that's a bigger one. We're doing bigger plates, obviously. And here we've got, what have we got here? We have got the hang on, I'll have to put the camera down and get this out. Okay, back again. So this is the cup mug thingy. That doesn't look very good, does it? What have we got here? We've got a power lead. That's a power lead. It's even got a Australian plug on it. What's going on? Is China finally getting the message? We've got a heat platen for doing angled cups, narrow cups. I thought there was supposed to be another one of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we'll get into it. And that's the cuppy doodad. You put your cuppy in there. Obviously plug it into the machine, clamp it. It's all steel. It's all steel. That's a little bit lightweight. That's aluminium. That's all steel. Got adjusters on there. I might have to take back what I've been saying about the Chinese crap. Mind you, the wiring does feel a little bit on the light side. But hey, so now, all this should maybe come out. It's all bashed and smashed there. Wonder what happened. And in here we have the, there we go. These are more cup platens. You've got more narrowies, or another narrowie. We're doing narrowy cuppies. And you've got, that's a smaller one than the first one. Then you've got another one for smaller cups. Or is that a spare big one? But again, see the wiring is, yeah, it's going to need some looking at for the amount of current that goes through it. Anyway, that's for later. And then in here we have the That doesn't look very good, does it? Maybe Chinese stuff is crap. But again, I'll have to go through it and just have a look at what is what. Okay, just let me get this out and let me whip me thing out, and we'll have a look at it. Okay, now we got, as you can see, the power side of things has taken a bit of a knock. It's on a pretty flimsy little bracket. I'm going to have to get in there anyway and double check all that wiring. Don't want all the magic smoke coming out of it. This is bloody heavy. It's, yeah, I don't know what it weighs, probably 10 or 15 kilos, but you raise the handle up, that should swing away, and that is a, what size was that platen? Should say on the box, 29 by 38. 29 by 38. This is platen size, and it's got the doodads. On the back you've got combo heat press, power, that's where the power goes in. You've got adjustments to lock it, I assume, and that'll be up and downy. And again, you can clip that down. That'll be your pressure adjustment, I should imagine. And on the side you've got a power switch and a red button that does, I think that turns your beeper off, I think. Again, I'll have to have a bit more of a look around it. Alright, well, it's just a quick unboxing. Again, it's all steel, a bit flimsy steel in some places. That's metal. Has that got a, oh yeah, it's got a Teflon sheet on it already, but I'll be using another one anyway. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I like new toys. And well, I might be able to do some fancy stickers with this too. The mind boggles. Alright, well, that's my 8-in-1 heat press from eBay. All the little goodies. Signed, sealed and delivered. So I will leave it here. If you've got any comments, feel free to leave them down the bottom. So it's a fairly new channel. Got lots more videos planned regarding stickers and vinyl and foiling and all sorts of good stuff. So I'll leave it here again. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.